Hello guys, welcome back to Varsity again with another video. Today I'm going to explain you all about the difference between voltage and current. So let's have a look at it. It's a clear explanation. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. I'll reply to every comment. So let's have a look at it. Difference between voltage and current and resistor. And resistor acting on a current and voltage. So how resistor acts on current and voltage, and difference between voltage and current. Let's have a look at it. Let's understand the difference between voltage and current by water analogy, water and pipe analogy. So here is a pipe like this. So here is a internal resistance as this length. This pipe is said to have internal resistance. So wire should have a internal resistance. So that is said to be as internal resistance. So here, if a small ball or small gap is placed like this here, like this, what happens? The pipe length will be decreased. If a small gap is placed here, so here what happens, the water will be coming from this side. So current means what here? Current means the means we will understand with the water analogy. So here how much water is flowing through the pipe, it is said to be as a current. So here water molecules are electrons are water molecules. Here, for water, there is binding force, which is bounded with hydrogen bonds. So, but for electrons, there is a repelling force, which is electronegative force, which is a repelling force. So, minus minus can will be repelled. So here, for it to be realized, there must be some voltage applied. Voltage means what here? The pressure must be applied here, must be applied to make it flow through this wire or pipe. The water should be flowed to the pipe. Generally we see that the water will flow easily from a pipe without any pressure, because because the water has hydrogen bonds. So in that, it easily flows for a small pressure. For a small slope, it will be easily gone. The water will be from the upside to downside. The gravitational force will be there, so the water will be in the same acceleration or pressure of the gravitational force, and the pressure will be applied at the in the same phase as the gravitational force, and the water will flow. But if the voltage is zero here, the pressure is equal to voltage. For only for analogy, if the voltage is zero, there is no current flow. So here, current flow means the rate of flow of electric charge. Electric charge is a charge carriers are what here? Electrons. So here, how much water is flowing through the pipe, it is said to be as current. And what is the pressure of the water? It is said to be as voltage. If you apply motor to the water, the water pressure will be increased, so that if the pressure is more, the pipe will be bursted out. So yeah, if the pressure is applied more, the speed of the water will be increased. uh, Pressure is more, the speed of the pipe will be increased, water will be increased. And also there is another question that if I think your questions have been completed. Is there any question left? I'm thinking if there any question left. So here there is also a question here: resistor acting on current and voltage. So resistor acts as a this small hole. This small hole doesn't oppose any water. The how much water is coming from inside, it will be flowed to this side, but the speed of it changes. Here speed will be decreased and again it will be increased from here. So here same as the here also. If we take 1 kilo ohm resistor here, is current is passing through here. So here resistor acts as a small hole here. So how much current is coming from there? It will be coming out same from here and here also, but the voltage will be decreased. Voltage will be decreased. Why? Because uh, if the resistor is acting like a small hole here, the pipe is thinner, narrower than this. So voltage will be what happens. The speed and pressure of the current pressure of the this will be decreased. So here this is what happens uh, with the acting of resistor on current and voltage, difference between voltage and current. And this is the video about difference between voltage and current. This is the water analogy which you can understand easily, so that I explained you clearly in this video. Thanks for watching, friends. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and activate the notification bar. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.